viewers. Today I'm going to install the lock on the emergency brake. I've seen a lot of videos on these installations, so I thought I'd give my installation too. I'm going to show you what can happen if you don't have this lock on here. And I think I've heard or read somewhere that only in North America they don't put these locks on these bikes, or they may make it an option now, I'm not sure, but I think everywhere else in the world they have these locks on these bikes. But on these emergency brakes, you know, you can take that off, not with the bike not even running, and it will roll. Anybody can just take that bike and just roll it on a trailer, or if it's sitting on a hill, they can, if they know anything about these bikes, they can take that off and just roll down a hill or whatever. And so I'm going to fix that issue today. It should be a quick video or quick installation. The tools you'll need, I believe that's a 5/8 socket, 5/16 socket, and it's just a small socket wrench. So that's a 5/16. There's your lock. You get this off Amazon. I'll leave a link at the bottom of the video here. You get 2 keys. And 2 of these. This is where you put on the lock here. Also, you'll need a drill bit. I use the big one, NACO, I believe. I also got that off Amazon. I'll leave the link on towards the bottom there for that. T30 torque wrench, you'll need that. So these are the tools you'll need to get the job done. As you can see, there's already a place there for you to cut out for that. So as long as you don't go over that, you should be good. Okay, let's get started. Like I said, this should be pretty easy. Nothing ever is easy for me. But hopefully this won't be too bad. Underneath here, there's two little clamps that you gotta pop off. Let me see if I can get that under there. Let's see. Here's one here. There's one right over here on this other side here. See, pretty easy. This should pop right off. Just grab the back of that. There's one. That one's going to be stubborn. That should come right off. That's where your air filter, if you're wondering what that is. You want to cover this up. You don't want to get no dust or anything in that. So find you a clean cloth. I may not have. Just cover that up. That way you don't get anything in there. You don't want to get anything in there you don't want to. Next thing you want to do, take your T30 torque wrench, take it off. You just want to get it to where you can lift up on it there, where you're not drilling through there, and you're going to want to pop that that lock in there when you get this drilled out. Just want to lift up on that, just kind of drill your hole. Simple as that. That's the reason why you want to cover that up. You don't want to get all that plastic in there. Alright, you want to get your lock next. Make sure that's okay, that's in. And get your lock in there where it's supposed to sit. And you want to take your 2 screws, you'll see the lock there, and just get it in there with your fingers, get it started first. Of course, my big fingers is going to have trouble with this. I usually like to get it started first, and then I can tighten it up. It's just getting started, it for me is difficult with my big fat fingers. Okay, we got that one started. And that one. Get it lined up right. It should start. Alright. Now take your 5/16 socket and just kind of tighten it down now. You can just get that started with your fingers. What did I do? Get the wrong one? Wrong side, my fault. Alright. What did I do? Okay, it's tightening now. You can tighten it down once you get it close to in there. Okay. Alright, that should be tight enough. Okay, put that back down. Alright. Let's put your nut back in that holds that cover down. Believe me, folks, if I can do this, anybody can do it. I am not Toolman Taylor, I'll tell you that. If you ever watch Home Improvement, you'll know who I'm talking about. Just tighten it down real good with your T30, I'm sorry. Alright, take this off and put your cover back on. Make sure you got no particles in there. Sometimes these can be a little tricky to put back on. I did it a few times just to make sure I can do it. Let's see. It's got to connect onto the top here first, and then you can connect it to the bottom. I think it's on. Just take your clips and pop them back on. Okay, take your key, test it out, make sure it works. There you go. Like I said, if I could do it, anybody can do it. These are like $25, I think, on Amazon. I can't remember what I paid for it. The link will be down at the bottom. There you go. Nobody's going to roll off with it now. I'm sure there's some other security measures out there. This is one good one that you can do. And just keep your key at one key on your ring and one key somewhere just in case you lose your keys. How cool is that? Thanks for watching today, guys. Hope I did everything right. I think I did. If you like this video, just click like down below. If you dislike it, click that too if you want. Leave comments. Be doing mods like this on this Ryker. We bought it last year. It's a 2019 Riley edition. We've already done a bunch of mods to it so far. Still got a bunch more to come. And I hope you enjoyed this video and hope it helped you. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more mods like this. I've been riding motorcycles since I was 15, and that's my bike right there. I'm also going to be riding this Ryker. It's my wife's, and she rides it, but we're going to end up riding it together. And when she's riding this, I'll be riding that, or we'll be riding this together. We do a lot of stuff together. Please subscribe to the channel, and peace.